Are you a qualifying business professional unable to break into the job market? Have you ever considered having a thorough resume review? Perhaps you are a product manager and you are unable to break into these jobs that you find labeled as project management. Ask yourself, why is that? Could it be that you possess a PMP certification, but you still cannot break in? Consider various options such as getting assistance from a professional to review your resume and find pitfalls. Also consider the possibility of leveraging the power of working with a partner or hiring partner who understands how the world of jobs works. Regardless the country you are in, harnessing the power of a professional service gets you levels ahead, further than where you would have gotten to working alone. So find a partner, someone who can explore possibilities in your resume, look for loopholes, and help you expand your potential, and also a hiring service such as tech systems, aerotech, manpower professional, and more. These are firms I have used to elevate my game in the job search. One final piece of advice: harness the power of job websites such as Dice.com, where I have filled six-figure jobs, Monster.com, where I've found six-figure jobs, and other comparable sites such as Indeed, Career Builder, and more. All the best in your job search.